colleagues. Today, in this special occasion, I want to say something about the topic corruption is a mindset, not a concept. According to me, corruption is a mindset because corruption is like a disease that thrives in the shadow of a complacent mindset. That's a corruption is a seed that germinates in the shadow of mindset of lazy. If corruption is not exist in the mindset of corrupt mind, then why the officers, the top bureaucrats of India, why they are who are got lot of salary and benefits from government, then why they take the bribes from the sanctioning or approving any government project? If corruption is not a mindset, then why the politicians who are take more benefits from government in the sense of salary and pension, but why they are takes bribes to sanction or any scheme that are approved by government or implementation was less? And recently, in the sense of electoral bond that was approved by government in a law in 2018, that was unconstitutional by Supreme Court in recent 2034, because the electoral bond is one of a scam that politicians bond to their party can get more benefits from this scheme of electoral bond. But this is not in the point of view of our society is not good, because this is a public fund that was used in political parties in their rallies and other activities. In the sense that lot of corruption happened, that is in the sense of job rate, in the sense that jobs recruitment board, selection board take more benefits in their power to get bribes from the applicant to get job. In the sense of recently the NEET exam scam which happened, that lot of the applicants get rank 1, and this is the one of corruption, and lot of corruption has happened, but we should take action to eradicate it. In the sense, mind is the center of all our action. So a corrupt mind also start with its mindset, and if we change the mindset of corrupt mind, then we change the corruption. In the end, also we can provide a good nature and developed society. In the Myanmar government, they also introduced the Vipassana meditation, which was actually applicable in their government, and that can approved by the government, that can eradicate their corruption. So that's why in our eradicating corruption, we should educate our citizens and aware about the policies, and strict regulation and imposition are important for the eradication of corruption.